If you want to record the screen on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we need to go to the Quick Settings panel or the Control Center. And then in here, you might be able to find the screen recorder. In my case, it was already added, but if in your case, it is nowhere to be found, you can tap on this pen button on the right side, and then you want to scroll down in order to try to find the screen record option, which should be in the display section in order to add it to this list. So now let's make sure go back, we're gonna tap on this button in order to start recording. So we can record one app or we can record the whole screen. You can also manage the audio in here. You can choose what audio should be recorded, and also we can show touches on the screen as well. Once you're ready, press record screen. We have a countdown over here right next to the time. And there we go. Now we are recording. If you want to end it, you should be able to tap on that timer and you can confirm that you want to stop recording. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.